deliberately sought out the nastiest looking iPod video on eBay, and I'm pretty sure I overpaid for it. Let's open it up. I haven't fixed an iPod before, but boy, I've read a lot about it. That's sneaky. Oh boy, look at that. That's just what I thought. What is that? Is that a screen protector that's gone bad? Yeah, I'm really puzzled over this. I think that's actually the front case. This is smaller than I imagined somehow. That's cool. Oh, hold. Which way? I don't know which way that means is hold. Oh, okay, there it is. So I held the menu button. Fired right up. Is this, oh yeah, breakout, cool. Well, the screen looks right. So that's cool. I think it's just this front case that's hooped. Yeah, I don't think that's just a coating. I have never, I don't know, tell me down in the comments, is this like normal thing for the front case to do? Or, here, let me, there you go. You think that's like a chemical exposure that could have done that or something? I don't know. I'm just happy to see that it's not all busted up and caked full of stuff, because I think that's on the main board. So, okay, I haven't opened one of these before, but I totally have seen internet documentary about it. Let me see. This seems like the tool for it. Apparently there's plastic clips down here that come off of the top case. The idea I get is you want to shimmy in under here. There we go, right there at the corner. And then rotate. Man, that ain't doing much getting down in there, is it? Yeah, that ain't popping nothing. Let's try this other thing. They gave me like a shiv. This is just a kit I got up at Best Buy. Needed a security bit for a different project, and this included it. So I think if I come in and then like go down, which you may not be able to see real well, but I think if I come in and then go down like that, I might be able to hit the tabs. Okay, so that lifted, but then it snapped back in as I was going along. Here we go. They give you like, they give you a bunch of them. These are like giant. Cool, I thought there's just one in there, but there's more yet than this. I'm just gonna use like regular little guy here. And there's not a lot of place for it to be, but I just don't want that corner to snap back down like it did before. So let's see, I'm trying to let you see what I'm doing too, which I think makes it a little more tricky. And I suspect I'll replace both the top and bottom case, so I'm not terrified of breaking something, but so it seems like is that, oh, there it is. It's broke loose. Yeah, I had heard that on this model, you really only got to get like one side loose and then it can tip out. The hold switch and the earphone jack, I think, are mounted to the back case. And then there's going to be a flex cable between the front and the back, I expect. So anyway, I'm going to come around over here. It's not, I want to be careful there because I know there's that switch. Oh, okay. So the clip isn't, strictly speaking, there's a metal part that engages with this. So I think I really want to be getting like there to dislodge the clip and then not just pushing in here, right? Okay, so this isn't attached to the main board. This is attached to the back case. So I could have lifted this like this. I didn't need to worry about that. If I'd have got this clip free, I'll bet you I could have just, wouldn't have had to go down both sides. Oh no, there's two different, oh, okay. Oh, okay, so this one, I think we want to open up like this, just a smidgen. And this guy is just gonna be a little lift out tab. Yeah, there we go. Just a little friction fit type guy. Oh no, it's not. Or is it? Let's see, so this, okay, it looks like what I should have did there was lift that little guy. So it's not strictly, so putting it back, I'm gonna need that popped. But pulling it out, I was able to carefully work the reinforced tab there and just slide it out. Clearly the front case is hooped. That, wow. So if I was working on one of these again, see these, the frame protects the bottom of, but this one doesn't have any protection like that, so I might, I don't know if I'd start up there and try to pop it first to protect it, or if I'd stay away from it and hope to like lift the bottom out, which I didn't know I could do. So let's look at this guy. Is it this kind? Where that's gonna want to, yep. So that's the kind where the back pops up the opposite of the way you'd think. Okay, so let's separate the front and back case. This is another one of those that from the back. No glue on that. Cool. Yeah, that feels like it must be a P00, assuming it's not like JIS or something weird. But the P00 seems to fit it nice. All of the screws, how does this just lift off of here? Oh, there's a little glue. Okay. And she comes free. I'd like to clean out that headphone jack if I can at least. It looks pretty good. I'll bet it still works good, but I'll check it out. Anyway, that's, we'll call that part one. I'm gonna do a little research, do a little experimenting, and then I'll order a bunch of parts and we'll put them in together probably. How's that?